I still remember the day I bolted my first cheap cold air intake onto my Ram 1500. I was expecting a massive horsepower boost and a deep, throaty growl. Instead, I got a glaring check engine light, horrible heat soak in traffic, and a pathetic whistling noise. Choosing the right intake is a minefield of false promises and cheap plastics that can actually rob you of power. I've spent months testing the top options on the market to save you the headache. Which one actually transformed my truck? Let's find out. 7. KAX4. When I first unboxed this unit, I wanted to be optimistic because the price point is incredibly appealing for anyone looking to modify their Ram 1500 on a strict budget. The initial presentation isn't terrible, with a shiny aluminum tube that looks decent enough when you first pop the hood. However, that optimism faded pretty quickly once I actually got my hands dirty and started the installation process in my garage. The first major hurdle I encountered was the overall fit and finish of the components. The couplers felt incredibly stiff and cheap, making it a frustrating wrestling match to get everything lined up properly with the throttle body. Furthermore, the instructions provided were incredibly vague and poorly translated, leaving me to guess which bolts went to which mounting brackets. For someone who might be doing their first engine modification, this lack of clear guidance is a massive red flag that can easily turn a quick weekend project into an all-day headache. Once I finally got it securely installed, I took the truck out for a test drive, and my disappointment only grew as the engine warmed up. The heat shield provided with the KAX4 is practically paper thin and honestly feels like an afterthought rather than a functional piece of engineering. Sitting in stop and go traffic, my intake air temperatures actually crept up significantly higher than they did with the restrictive factory air box, completely defeating the entire purpose of buying a cold air intake. 6. Rough Country 10614. Rough Country is a massive, highly respected name in the truck world, primarily known for their suspension lifts and heavy-duty leveling kits. So I was genuinely curious to see how their foray into under-hood engine performance would hold up on the Ram 1500 platform. Unboxing this kit, the quality is noticeably a step up from the bottom of the barrel budget options, featuring a much sturdier intake tube and a reasonably beefy, reusable air filter that feels built to last. Installation was definitely much smoother than the previous kit, with mounting points that actually lined up perfectly exactly where they were supposed to go. However, I immediately noticed a glaring design flaw once the whole assembly was sitting inside the engine bay. The heat shield, while noticeably thicker than the cheaper alternatives, still doesn't seal tightly against the underside of the hood. This means that a significant amount of hot engine bay air is still finding its way into the intake path, which severely limits the potential horsepower gains you could be seeing. On the road, the Rough Country intake definitely wakes up the sound of the big Hemi engine. You get a very pronounced, deep roar when you accelerate heavily, which undeniably puts a huge smile on your face the first few times you hear it. But during my extended road testing, I found that this aggressive sound profile comes at a significant cost. At cruising speeds right around 70 miles per hour, there is a distinct, low-frequency drone that reverberates directly into the cabin. 5. K&N 63 to 1561. K&N essentially pioneered the aftermarket air filter market, and testing this specific kit on the Ram 1500 reminded me exactly why they have maintained such a dominant reputation for decades. The build quality is immediately apparent right out of the box, featuring a custom-molded, high-density polyethylene intake tube that is specifically engineered to smooth out interior airflow and drastically reduce air turbulence. The installation process for the K&N 63 series was an absolute breeze from start to finish. Everything from the thick silicone couplers to the heavy-duty stainless steel hose clamps feels premium, and their highly detailed, Step-by-step instructions made the entire swap take less than 45 minutes using nothing but basic hand tools. What I particularly loved about this design during the install is how well the oversized conical filter sits within the provided heavy-duty heat shield, creating a fantastic barrier against engine heat. Hitting the gas pedal with the K&N installed completely transforms the everyday driving experience of the Ram. The sound is absolutely intoxicating. It's not a sloppy, rattling noise, but rather a refined, muscular growl that only truly kicks in when you really ask for it. Unlike the previous intakes I tested, there was absolutely zero annoying drone while cruising on the highway, making it perfectly civilized for your daily morning commute while still waking up the entire neighborhood when you floor it. From a performance standpoint, the difference was night and day compared to the stock setup. The throttle felt incredibly sharp, completely eliminating that annoying factory delay when trying to pass someone quickly on the interstate. 4. Mopar Performance Gold. For many dedicated Ram 1500 owners, keeping their truck entirely within the OEM family is a massive priority, and after testing this unit, I completely understand why. When you purchase this Mopar intake, you aren't just buying another aftermarket part. You are buying a piece of engineering that was designed by the exact same engineers who built your truck. The moment you open the box, the heavy-duty construction and flawless factory finish screen quality. Installing the Mopar intake is incredibly satisfying because every single piece fits together with absolute, microscopic precision. There is no bending, tweaking, or forcing plastic components into place hoping they won't crack. It utilizes the factory mounting locations perfectly, and the overall look once installed is absolutely stunning. It doesn't look like a flashy, tacked-on aftermarket add-on. Instead, it looks like a high-performance, special edition option that should have rolled right off the assembly line. What really sets the Mopar system apart during my extensive testing was the absolute peace of mind it provides under all driving conditions. With many aftermarket intakes, you always have a lingering fear that a check engine light might suddenly pop up due to a slightly skewed air sensor reading. With the Mopar unit, the truck's internal computer accepted the increased airflow seamlessly. Driving around town, the low-end torque felt noticeably stronger, making the heavy truck feel much lighter on its feet when pulling away from stoplights. The sound profile of the Mopar intake is highly sophisticated and incredibly well-tuned. 3. SP filters 75 to 5150. If you are serious about achieving maximum airflow and want unparalleled aesthetic appeal when you pop your hood, this intake system is an absolute showstopper. S&B has built an incredible reputation over the years for designing fully enclosed intakes that drastically outperform open element designs, and their application for the Ram is nothing short of spectacular. The massive highlight of this system is undoubtedly the signature clear polycarbonate lid. The rigorous engineering behind the S&B 75 to 5150 is what truly won me over during my hands-on testing and data logging. The massive custom airbox completely seals off the internal filter from the scorching, power-robbing heat of the engine bay, utilizing premium silicone edge trim that perfectly contours to the hood and fender structure. Furthermore, the battery of temperature tests I ran showed that this tightly sealed design kept intake air temperatures shockingly close to ambient outside temperatures, even after long periods of heavy idling. On the road, the S&B delivers a massive, undeniable rush of air that you can actually feel translating to power in the seat of your pants. Throttle response is practically instantaneous, and the mid-range pulling power feels significantly beefier, which is exactly the kind of power band you want when towing a heavy trailer. The sound is incredibly refined because it is a heavy sealed box. It isn't overly loud under normal driving conditions, but it unleashes a furious, echoing roar the second you step heavily onto the throttle. Another massive advantage of this premium system is the choice S and B gives you regarding the actual filter media you run. 2. Momentum GT. If you are looking for a cold air intake that looks like it belongs on a top-tier, million-dollar race vehicle while delivering devastating real-world performance, this is exactly the one you want. The Momentum GT series completely reimagines how a modern cold air intake should be structured. Unlike traditional kits, the Momentum GT features a revolutionary one-piece sealed housing with a built-in air scoop that captures cool air directly from the front grille. When I installed this massive unit, I was completely blown away by the sheer size of the oversized Pro 5R air filter. AFE engineers designed this custom housing specifically to fit the absolute largest possible filter they could squeeze into the Ram's engine bay without hitting any accessories. Because of this massive surface area, the engine breathes with absolute, unrestricted freedom. The housing also features a fantastic auxiliary air plug that you can remove for maximum volume or plug up to completely seal the system against water. Putting the Momentum GT to the test on the street was a phenomenal, eye-opening experience. The dyno-proven numbers you read about online translated beautifully to aggressive real-world driving dynamics. The truck felt incredibly eager to accelerate, entirely eliminating the sluggish, heavy feeling that sometimes plagues full-size, four-wheel drive trucks. Passing slow-moving vehicles at highway speeds became utterly effortless, with the transmission kicking down instantly and the engine roaring to life with a deep, resonant bellow. The physical build quality of the Momentum GT is virtually indestructible. The roto-molded plastic housing is incredibly thick and heavily reinforced, completely shrugging off the intense, baking heat generated by the massive Hemi V8. 1. K&N NextGen 50 to 1598. K&N essentially looked at everything they have learned over the last several decades of building the world's best air filters, and they poured all of that cutting-edge technology into this single, masterful unit. The moment I held the NextGen tube in my hands, I knew this was something entirely different. It utilizes an advanced, high-density, cross-link polyethylene construction that sheds heat like absolute magic. The intricate engineering on the NextGen 50 to 1598 is completely flawless. The entirely redesigned aerodynamic intake tube is heavily computer modeled to virtually eliminate all internal air restriction and performance-robbing turbulence. During the installation process, which was remarkably fast and brilliantly intuitive, I immediately noticed the precision-engineered heat shield that perfectly isolates the massive, high-flow conical filter. This system doesn't just block ambient heat. It actively channels a massive volume of dense, frigid outside air directly into the throttle body. The actual road test with the NextGen system bolted on was nothing short of exhilarating. The sheer amount of horsepower and low-end torque this specific system frees up is staggering to experience firsthand. The Ram 1500 went from being a pleasantly powerful daily driver truck to an absolute, tire-spinning rocket. When you pin the throttle to the floorboard, the truck surges forward with a ferocious, head-snapping urgency. The intake roar is majestic, a deep, booming, guttural sound that makes you want to drive through tunnels all day. What truly cements the K&N NextGen 50 to 1598 at the absolute top of the podium is how flawlessly it balances extreme, uncompromising performance with everyday, daily drivability. Outro. That's all for today, folks.